Hello everyone, welcome to the new video of class 12th. The topic which we are doing is called money and banking. Now, we have done a last video about money. So in today's video, we are talking about banking. So let's move forward. Now let us see what is a bank. A bank is an institution which provides loans and accepts deposits. So what is banking? Banking is the process of accepting deposits and advancing loans. Now talking about banks. Banks are of two types. One we have is the commercial bank and the other we have is the central bank. Commercial bank is the one which will advance loan and deal with people, general public as such. It will give loans to general public, it will take deposits from general public. Whereas central bank is the one which will guide and supervise the commercial banks. For example, banks like SBI, ICICI, PNB, all of them are your commercial banks. And RBI, Reserve Bank of India, is India's central bank. Fine. So coming to commercial bank, what are the functions of commercial bank? There are only two functions of commercial bank, and it is not very, this topic has not been in the syllabus as such, but still, what are two functions of commercial bank? We have two functions. One is accepting deposits and second is advancing loans. Okay. Now coming to central bank, the functions of central bank are very, very important. So I have to study them in detail. So let us study what are the functions of central bank. Now coming to the functions of central bank. The first function of central bank is currency authority. It is the central bank which actually has the reserved rights to do two things. One, to print new currency, and second, to make sure how much currency is circulating in the economy. किसका function of the central bank का function है that two things it is taking into function: how much currency should be printed in the economy and how much is circulating in the economy. These two things central bank sees. Coming to second point, custodian of reserves. Now what do you mean by custodian of reserves? Now every government has some reserves. For example, if sometime your revenue receipts or capital receipts are more as compared to your expenditure, if your receipts, the government's receipts are more as compared to the expenditure of the government, what we get is we get surplus. That surplus amount of money is stored somewhere. Where it is stored? It is stored with the RBI or the central bank. So it acts as a custodian, keeps these reserves with itself. चाहे वो foreign exchange reserves हो, चाहे वो आपके ये वाले हो government के general reserves हो. Who keeps them? Custodial reserves is the central bank. Third point, bankers bank. A bankers bank, sometimes what happens is the bank, commercial bank, will not have that much money to advance loans to the firms or to the households. So where does it look upon to? It look upon to the central bank. Now how we understand it is, suppose you are households and we have banks and we have firms. Okay, then we have an RBI which is above the banks. Now, households deposited something with the bank, right? But the firms want around 2,000 rupees of loan. So where will the bank go? So bank will go to RBI. Please give us 1,000 rupee extra as loan. So now RBI has become a banker's bank. Sometimes the commercial bank will have extra money. People are not demanding. Let's say people are only demanding 500 rupees. So 500 is left. So commercial bank will deposit this 500 with the RBI. So RBI or central bank is the banker's bank. Coming to the next one is government's bank. Now commercial banks, what do? They basically accept deposits and give loans to general public. Where will the government go? The government goes to the central bank. Whenever government needs money, it borrows money from central bank. Whenever government has surplus, it will give surplus to the central bank. So it is a government's bank. And the last point is lender of last resort. Whenever either the government or the commercial banks will not have money, they will look upon to central bank for the money. Now it depends depends on central bank. If they have it as reserves, they'll provide it. If they don't have it as reserves, they will print new currency for that. That is called lender of last resort. So these are the functions of central bank. In the next video, we'll be talking about money creation. Thank you for now.